All right, we're back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter. Welcome to This Made Up Life. How's it going?
What do we have today?
We're doing LaLo dresses. And what is this called again?
This is the Aria dress.
The Aria dress.
I kind of love that name because it's short and this is kind of a fun short unit here.
Well, and Aria Stark, she is just a bad A girl.
And heaven knows we all just want to be bad A.
Bad A.
All right, so it's a very, very simple dress style. It's got this V-neck that has a little bit, it's like a 1/4 inch binding around the neckline. I like the sleeve length is just kind of half in between your, it's got 4 little pleats in front and then the same 4 pleats right there in the back. So it gives you enough room to move around and best of all, pockets! Who doesn't love some good pockets, right? The one I'm wearing is, it's referred to as sage green, I think, and it is in a rayon spandex. So it's a jersey, it's lightweight. It does, it has a very gentle hang. And I'm wearing a size large. I opted to upsize a little bit because I like to have a little bit more space here.
Yeah, sure.
Now, if I was wearing the smaller size, it would just be tighter through the bodice a little bit. And yours is a brushed DTY, right? So it's a polyester spandex and it has that really soft.
Oh, super soft.
Soft,
like buttery.
It's
nice.
One of the things I love about this fabric is that it is easy to take care of and it tends to not be really pilly.
Oh yeah.
So it's a really
easy,
forgiving fabric. I like it. And it also doesn't stick to any of your stuff.
Yeah, I'm wearing
I totally have Spanx on because in the rayon spandex, you know, you get a little sticky.
Yeah.
But
not sticky today.
Woo! So what we wanted to do was tell you a little bit about how our philosophy about getting dressed every day. I love basic pieces. Mm-hmm. I love to have a simple, almost like uniform of basic pieces that then I can change up any way. And that's one of the things I love about this dress style. It's very simple. And so you can do a lot with it. So we're going to show you a couple of things. Cecilly, what have you got for us?
Well, my handy dandy friend over here was holding my dress. So this is just a denim dress, a short little flouncy sleeve. And I felt like just wearing it kind of over.
Almost like a jacket.
Yeah, right?
I love the way it completely changed the look of that dress.
Yeah.
It gives it, you know, just to change things up. It's really fun.
You could wear it buttoned up, or I thought you could also tie it.
Oh,
there's just like so many ways.
There's a lot of different ways you can play with that.
So any button up top, I think you could throw over this dress and totally change it up.
Okay, so here's something, and I was actually a little bit skeptical about this, but this is also a LaLo Company piece. It's a Harmony tank.
Cute.
And
I like this print.
I'm kind of in love with this print. But, so
check this out, everybody.
Check it out. So first of all, it's just even really cute like this. But, of course, we can do the tie. So I'm just pulling it.
Oh, it's a neat tie trick.
Don't you do this trick?
I mean, yeah, but
you do the singular trick.
It's the singular. I tried it today, actually. Whoop. Tighter. It's stretchy, everybody. If you couldn't tell.
All right, see, so I evidently can't tie if I'm looking at it. If I'm not looking at it,
it's really hard.
I can tie right away. So.
Oh, cute.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, that's great.
I like the way it just kind of gives it a little bit of color, but it also keeps my pockets free.
Oh, yeah.
Because, hello.
Need those pockets.
Love a good pocket. All right, so I'm going to have Cecilly try something else with this.
Ooh,
I want you to try, I just want you to throw on this.
Yeah, do it.
This is the Alchemist tunic in the 2X size, the
XL2X.
XL2X, because I think it's going to be fun to see how this an oversized piece works with this dress, because my guess is it's going to just kind of peek out at the bottom and be really cute. And I'm a big fan of navy and white with some pink. So that's really
bad.
fun.
Yeah, that's pretty great.
I like it. And then if you tied it up, yeah, that's really cute.
Like the middle tie, or this is kind of fun, just doing like a
well, especially when you do oversized like that, you have an option like that to do the off the shoulder, which I think is really, really cute.
Yeah, it's a good look.
All right, and then my go-to is always the
white shirt, everybody.
Cecilly, you just rolled your eyes.
I always roll my eyes
when I talk. I just love the way I can take a really, really simple style like this dress that's super casual. Like I would consider this extremely casual on its own.
Yeah.
But I can throw it on and then I can throw a blouse on with it. And whether I tie it or whether I decided to belt it, all of a sudden it elevates this cute little dress into something that I would feel a little bit more dressed up in. I wouldn't.
You put like a fun necklace underneath, like a nicer bobbly necklace or something.
Like a necklace and switch up jewelry. But I mean, even like this for me is very, very comfortable.
It's just a comfortable dress.
I'm gonna go to
you should get one.
Easy to wear. You're gonna love it. So check it out. LaLoandCompany.com.
The Aria dress.
The Aria dress. And
remember, as always, if you like the video, like it, share it, follow us, and the most important thing,
subscribe on YouTube.
Click that button. Click, click, click. We really need you.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.
See ya.